What's up guys, it's Kevin from K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the plank walkout. Alright guys, I'm going to walk you guys through this. So I want you to start with your feet together. First thing and everything we do, lock down your ribs and squeeze the glutes. Always being aware of this position. I call this the hollow body. And you'll do that especially when you begin to walk. You're curling even right now. When you walk out, I'm curling, I'm squeezing. I'll end up with my shoulders on top of my wrist. This is no good if my hips are up. I want to be locked in here. So walk it back, squeeze your glutes, curl it down, squeezing the glutes. Squeeze glutes, curl it down. Full extension is where I'm shifted from my toes here. Pressing through the back is good. This rounded position is the exact same position that we've been working on with the hollow body. Notice this shape here is the exact same position as this shape here. That's the plank walkout. Get after it.